John Paul, para sa inyo, gaano kahalaga ang twice-to-beat advantage sa Final Four?
Itong twice to beat na to para sa semifinals na game, para advantage namin sa finals nila.
Okay, pabalik na kayo sa finals, or at least nasa Final Four, on your way to the finals to defend your 3-time championship. Anong sekreto ng team na kasing galing nyo?
Siyempre sa amin, priority din talaga namin si Lord. Tsaka ang second, yung team goal namin, tsaka meron din kaming self-goal, parang priority goal namin sa sarili namin, tsaka parang inaano lang namin na yung mga pinaghirapan namin para sa finals din.
Alright, thank you very much at good luck sa inyo. Once again, John Paul Torres of the UST Growling Tigers.
Hindi hila nyo, kanina dumidipit ang hila ng hila. Ang dami yung bolang dumadating, chance ball, hinihilahan nyo. Tapatan mo lang, bangkay mo na sa Jason, ang dami natin bola na dapat point na natin, nabibigay pa sa kanila. Ang dami-dami niyan. Ha? Kaya tingnan nyo, pag ready kayo, pag tayo sa service ready in front line, hindi nakahanda.
USD head coach Emil Lontok really taking this game seriously. It's just a 2-point lead, but after the technical timeout, calls right away.
Sensing trouble right away. Ayaw niyang tumuloy-tuloy. He doesn't want DLSU to pull away.
Let's see the adjustments that are going to be made. Depante finally uses the block this time. Makasait blocked by Ilano. Back row hit. Pecaña. Out of bounds. 2 errors by Pecaña.
That's right. This time, another attack error. There's too much adrenaline working for the USC Tigers.
Medyo gigil, ano? Couple of substitutions here. Pecaña and Ukang will sit down. In comes Romnick Rico.
Bojan Romero.
And also, yes, Romero will play setter in place of Ukang. There's Chris Makasait. Serving.
Oh, nice sharp
Good one.
serve.
De La Vega!
Oh!
Wow!
Beautiful.
Dolores was right there. He was too powerful to control that ball. Here's the instant replay of that De La Vega hit. Brought to you by Shakey's. It's Fun Family Pizza.
Beautiful combination play as you see it once again. Running hit by De La Vega, but they throw a point away from the service line.
Makasait halting the momentum of De La Salle with that service error. But they've done the damage. La Salle is up by 3. And remember, the last meeting between these two teams, the first set was won by La Salle. Although both matches eventually won by USD. Blocked by Rivera at the net. Ramos! Casanova was right there. Too powerful.
Yes, just
From
too
Ramos.
vigorous for De La Salle. Casanova given a test by Ramos. Kanina, din kay Dolores pinadaan. Sine-check out lang nila yung mga libero.
Good block. Romero, one-handed setup job. Easy over for USD. De La Vega, the tip. Free ball for La Salle. Twice they've gotten some freebies. But they can't seem to score the point. Great retrieval.
Dolores really just saving that first ball, but that point goes now to La Salle.
The Green Archers, very versatile offensively,
Right.
using every trick in their arsenal to score the point.
And hindi pa kasi ready yung USC for their defense because of that previous ball, hinahabol nila. So right away, La Salle going for that return.
Still a 3-point lead for the Green Archers. Makasait, back row hit. Dolores the dig. Over on the second ball from USD. Lee off the net.
That's right, trying to go down the line. No hit, no touch. Point goes to USD.
Wasted opportunity for Emilio Lee, no? There were no blockers.
Wala na eh, may space na
May
siya
space na
eh.
eh.
May highway na to
Medyo
penetrate.
napagilid niya lang talaga, no?
Too much risk, too much angle.
USD within 2. Oh, poor first ball from De La Vega, but Lee with the off-speed hit JP Torres. Ooh, that's out. Way out.
And no spin at all. Mishit by JP Torres. And this is what Makasayt was talking about in that interview. Walang statistics dito. Walang kinalaman na. This is the Final Four.
Back to a 3-point lead. LaSalle. Romero sets it up. Torres. Still out of bounds. This time much closer, pero out of bounds pa rin.
And you don't want him frustrated at this point. It is just the first set.
Team Captain James Pecaña for BJ Romero.
Rico and Romero check out. Ukang Pecaña step back in, and a timeout called by
Timeout,
Emil
USC
Lontok, who will listen in.
Ano problema mo? Bakit lagi mo pinapalo sa dulo ng kamay, ayaw mo sapulin? Bilisan mo lang palo. Kaya kalaban mo lasali, hindi naman ano? Ha? Oh, ikaw, mag-ingat yan. Apat lang yan, ha? Apat lang yan, oh. Kailangan natin ang depensa, block, ha? Kailangan mo, doon ka tumingin sa atake. Dalawa lang yung spiker nila. Dapat naando ka nakafocus. Pagtingin mo, huwag kang tumungo. Tingnan mo kung nasa yung bola. Hawakan mo lang kamay. Mga apat lang yan, ha? Kapit.
Dali natin si Jason dito sa kanya.
On your screens, of course.
On the left side is brother Bernie Oka, and on the right side, Mr. Noel Buenaventura, both from De La Salle University, member of the board of the UAAP. A lot is at stake for them
Yes,
here.
and the men's and the women's division.
Ooh.
Oh, and this time, JP Torres on the third consecutive try finally gets the point.
It had to take Coach Emil Lontok screaming at his ear to correct that hit for him to finally get it going. But still, a solid 3-point advantage at the latter part of set number 1 in favor of LaSalle. Oh, but Torres, 2 straight points. The second point coming from a defensive stand.
Timeout, De La Salle Green
And this time,
Archers.
Coach Akailar of LaSalle calls a timeout. We'll listen in.
Mark. Ito sa gitna, pasukan mo, ikaw magpupig dito mo tatargetin ang bola. Si Mark, porsyento ka lang. Ikaw, be quick ka sa likod, ha? Be quick. Pero pag pumakit ang bola, kailangan porsyento yung isa. Ulitin ko, dito ka, ang target mo dito. Huwag mo maguloy, dapat ikalibay ka.
Sammy Akailar implementing a new play. Let's see if it's going to work.
On your screens, Coach Ramil De Jesus, of course, just waiting for his moment.
Assumption of the game.
Report
serving
after this
Kerr
game.
Ukam.
Lady Spikers of LaSalle are seeded number 1, so it's kind of like a reversal of fortunes as they have the twice to beat advantage, and they will take on Ateneo at around 4 o'clock. Lee blocked, kept alive by De La Vega. No,
Good call. I think it's really for a touch that did go over
Four
for
touches
Lee.
on the Green Archers.
Now, USD just a point down.
now this is what we were talking about, Mosey. USD may be an underdog nung laban nila against FEU, but they were able to find a way. They were down here by 4 points, but
right.
digging deep through experience, they're just within 1.
You're correct. That's the word. Experience. Just too much
more block,
experience
ties
for
the game.
USD.
Pecaña right there at the net, anticipating Lee's attack. And the quick dump. We're tied 22 all.
Look at the extension of the arms of the USD players on the block.
4-0 run by USD to tie it up after being down by 4. But
Mike
Antonio
Antonio.
soaring in on the combination.
So light-footed. He was just way up in the air for that combination play, for that differential.
23, serving
Carlo
22.
Rivera.
Taas ng verticality, Antonio.
Ukang to Pecaña. Goes off speed. Blocked.
Point for
Oh,
Dallas.
and the point goes
Block
to
went out.
the Archers.
At set point, Mosey, for the Green Archers.
Let's take a look at it once
Dallas
again.
Hall with set
Antonio
point.
against JP Torres.
Seems like tumama nga sa net, ano? From our angle. But of course, our
Oh,
first
it was
referee.
right in front of
Kitang-kita
Bob
niya.
Malena.
Pecaña, combination. First ball over from De La Vega. The tip by Ramos. Lasal on the attack, looking for the finish. Not there. Says Pecaña, not yet.
Not just yet. As Pecaña scoring from the block. Lee going down the line again, but this time the block was there.
UST down by 1. 23 serving 24. Lasal still at set point. UST saving 1. Makasait for the closer.
Yes, Makasait!
The first set.
What a game.
And the set number 1
for
25 to 23
the underdogs, De La
for
Salle
the
University
De La Salle
Green Archers. Makasait, Lee combining to take out a highly favored UST Growling Tigers in set number 1. And take a look at the official score at the end. 25-23 in favor of the number 4 seeds, De La Salle. We'll be back with set number 2.